Welcome to 2568 Albatross in San Diego, California. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath located in Bankers Hill. As you enter the home, you walk into a beautiful open space. Hardwood floors throughout. We'll head this way into the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinet space, and granite countertops. The kitchen looks right into the dining room, spacious and open, with more cabinetry. And we'll pan out to this beautiful view here of Bankers Hill, all the way out to downtown. And we'll step out onto the patio. Looks down onto the swimming pool and a great view of San Diego skyline. I will take you back inside. This living room comes equipped with a bar area, which is currently being used as just shelving. We'll head down the hall. More cabinet space. To your left, we have your laundry room. Also storage space. And as we continue down the hall, we make a right into the bathroom. And right past the bathroom, we have the first bedroom. And right behind that curtain there is a Murphy bed. The room can come with or without the Murphy bed. And we'll turn now into the master suite. And the closet. Lots of deep cup. And shower. Dual countertops. Back on out.